during the division, a number which we used to write here in the middle, we used to call it as dividend. Then this one here, we call it as divisor. Like here, suppose you go 2 into 2 will be near to 4. So 5 minus 4, we get 1. Then this number which we get after we divide, we used to call it as quotient. Then this one which remain at the end, we used to call it as remainder. Then you see that if you do like this, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1 you get back 5, which means that dividend, it will be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so this is given to us by a man named Euclid. So that is why when we say using Euclid division mean somehow we are going to use this one, dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then if suppose now we convert it into words, you will see this one, what it say. We have two positive integer a and b, such that a is what we call the dividend, b become the divisor. Then if we have two more number q, which is can be called as quotient, r as remainder, then we can write it in the form dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. And at the same time you should see remainder, it can be 0, it can be greater than 0, but it should always be less than the divisor. Remember that remainder, it may be 0, greater than 0, or but always should be less than divisor. Okay, so if it is written in the form of equation, it will become like this. But actually, though it look complicated, but the main thing is that is this one only. Okay, dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. And this statement here, we used to call it as Euclid division lemma. So using this one, let us solve some problem here. You will see what they say. Use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF, each of the following. So all here you can do it in the same way. I will try number 3. The rest you try yourself. So here what are the number you have? We have the number 714 and 924. So you take the larger number as your dividend, the smaller as your divisor. I will take 924 as my dividend and 714 as divisor. So we'll try to get the quotient now. 714 into 1, 714 into 2. If we go with 2, it is bigger. So let us go with 1. Then you'll have 714. So 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. So now no need to go decimal. What to do? This remainder now will become the divisor. And this divisor now will become the quotient. You have to repeat the process until you get remainder equal to 0. Then here again you have to go 210 into what number will be near to 714. If you go with 1, still less, with 2 still less. Let us try with 3. 3 0 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then now you minus 4, 11 minus 3 will be 8. Then here you give here becomes 6 minus 6, 0. So then here again you see the remainder, it is less than the divisor. So no need to go decimal. Again the process will repeat. This remainder now become the divisor, and this divisor now become the dividend. So here also 84 into 1 now will be near to 210. If we go with 1 is still small, so we will go with 2. Then again you divide. minus 10 minus 8 will be 2. Then here already give here 1, it become 0. Borrow from here, become 10. 10 minus 6, it will become 4. Then again, this is a remainder, it will become divisor. This is a divisor, it will become dividend. The process has to continue till we get remainder 0. Then now 42 into 2 will be 84. So that means now we get remainder 0, the process end here. Then the last number which you divide, that will be called it as the HCF according to that Euclid division algorithm. So now you have to write like that using Euclid division algorithm, or you can say lemma also, it's okay. Remember, each and every step we have to follow this one. Okay, you have to follow this one. Dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let us see with the first step. Our dividend here is 924. What is your divisor? 714. Then into your quotient 1 plus remainder 210. Then next again, we'll repeat for the second step. Here the dividend is 714. Then the divisor is 210. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 84. It will repeat again. The dividend is 210. The divisor is 84. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 42. Then again, the dividend is 84. Divisor is 42. Quotient is 2. Remainder equal 0. So now we get remainder 0. The last number which is we divide, that become the HCF. So now that means the HCF of 714 and 924. According to Euclid, it is equal to 42. So remember, take the big number, divide by small number. Then the remainder, divide the divisor. Remainder, divide the divisor like that until you get remainder 0. The last number which you divide, that means which help us to get remainder 0, that will be the HCF. And each and every step where you written, remember this one, we will have dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder.